What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car wash mitt on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Konpard Car Wash Mitt. This set includes 2 high-quality microfiber wash mitts designed to make cleaning effortless. The thick chenille strands effectively lift dirt and grime while being gentle on the surface. The ultra-absorbent material holds more soap and water, ensuring a smooth and efficient wash. The soft texture helps prevent scratches, leaving a clean and polished finish. The extra-large size provides a comfortable fit, making it easy to use for different cleaning tasks. The flexible and lightweight design allows for better control while washing, dusting, or detailing. The plush microfiber material works well on various surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean without causing damage. These mitts can be used both wet and dry for different cleaning purposes. When wet, they provide a deep clean by trapping dirt and removing tough stains. When dry, they work as a dusting tool, collecting particles without leaving residue. This versatility makes them ideal for cleaning vehicles, household surfaces, and other delicate areas. Suitable for different types of vehicles, these mitts are safe for paint, glass, and other exterior surfaces. They are designed for use on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and recreational vehicles. The soft microfiber ensures a scratch-free experience, maintaining the shine and appearance of any surface. Built for durability, these wash mitts are made with high-density fibers that withstand multiple uses. The premium construction ensures long-lasting performance, making them a reliable choice for regular cleaning. Designed to provide professional quality results, they help maintain a spotless and well-maintained finish on any surface. In our list, the number 4 product name is Adams Polish's Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. This microfiber wash mitt is designed to provide a gentle and effective cleaning experience for any vehicle. The plush synthetic fibers help prevent scratches while holding a large amount of soap and water for a smooth and swirl-free finish. The high-quality material allows it to glide effortlessly across surfaces, making it suitable for automobiles, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. The microfiber blend ensures a soft and safe touch on paintwork, glass, and polished metals. The thick fibers efficiently lift dirt and debris while creating rich suds that enhance the cleaning process. Whether using a wash bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon, this mitt delivers professional results by reducing the risk of swirls and damage to the surface. Designed with durability in mind, the premium microfiber material maintains its performance after multiple washes. The dense fibers provide strong absorption, holding water and soap for an extended period. The internal seam construction helps improve handling, allowing better control when reaching tight spaces. The snug-fitting cuff ensures stability, preventing the mitt from slipping during use. This wash mitt is compatible with different cleaning products, working well with various soaps and detailing solutions. The soft microfiber fibers enhance shine while ensuring a streak-free finish. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, allowing for a thorough wash with minimal effort. Perfect for professional and personal use, this wash mitt helps maintain a spotless and polished appearance on any vehicle. The machine-washable material allows for repeated use while maintaining its softness and cleaning efficiency. In our list, the number 3 product name is VIKING Car Wash Mitt. This microfiber wash mitt is designed to provide an efficient and safe cleaning experience for any vehicle. The soft microfiber material gently lifts dirt and debris without scratching the surface, making it ideal for cleaning paint, glass, and trim. The thick fibers glide smoothly, ensuring a thorough wash while preventing swirl marks. The foam core absorbs a large amount of soap and water, allowing for better coverage and fewer trips to the wash bucket. The plush fibers help trap dust and grime, making the cleaning process more effective. The absorbent design allows for deep cleaning while maintaining a streak-free finish. The wash mitt features an inner lining that provides a comfortable grip, ensuring better control during use. The knitted cuff keeps the mitt secure on the hand, preventing it from slipping while washing. The soft and durable fabric makes it suitable for regular use without losing its effectiveness. This microfiber wash mitt is designed for repeated use, offering a durable construction with overlock inner seams that enhance longevity. The reusable material maintains its softness and cleaning ability after multiple washes. The lightweight design allows for easy handling, making car cleaning a simple and efficient task. This wash mitt is ideal for automotive care, providing a gentle yet effective way to maintain a clean and polished look. The combination of absorbent microfiber and a foam core ensures a high level of cleaning performance while protecting the surface of the vehicle. Whether used on cars, trucks, or motorcycles, this mitt delivers a streak-free shine with minimal effort. In our list, the number 2 product name is SPTA Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. This microfiber car wash mitt is designed to provide a gentle and effective cleaning experience for any vehicle. The soft material helps prevent scratches, making it safe for paint, glass, and trim. The fine microfiber strands glide smoothly across surfaces, lifting dirt and debris without leaving marks. The absorbent fibers hold a large amount of water and soap, allowing for better coverage and reducing the need for frequent trips to the wash bucket. The thick microfiber material helps trap dust and grime, ensuring a deep clean with minimal effort. The design allows for quick and efficient washing while maintaining a streak-free shine. The flexible material fits comfortably on the hand, providing a secure grip for better control during washing. The lightweight design makes handling easy, ensuring a comfortable cleaning experience. The durable construction allows for repeated use without losing effectiveness. This wash mitt is suitable for use with any car cleaning products, including soap, foam guns, and foam cannons. The high-quality microfiber fibers maintain their softness and absorbency, making them ideal for regular automotive maintenance. The plush material helps preserve the vehicle's finish, ensuring a polished look after each wash. Designed for easy maintenance, the reusable material can be washed and used multiple times without affecting performance. The absorbent fibers dry quickly, making storage simple. Whether used for cars, trucks, or motorcycles, this microfiber wash mitt provides a reliable solution for keeping any vehicle clean and spotless. In our list, the number 1 product name is Microfiber Car Wash Sponge. This microfiber car wash sponge is designed for a thorough and gentle cleaning experience, making it ideal for maintaining any vehicle's exterior and interior surfaces. The dual-sided construction ensures efficient dirt removal while preventing scratches on delicate finishes. The soft coral fleece side effectively lifts dust and debris, while the textured mesh side tackles stubborn grime on tires and hard-to-reach areas. The ultra-absorbent chenille microfiber holds a large amount of water and soap, providing better coverage for a deep clean. The combination of microfiber and sponge materials ensures an effective wash while maintaining a lightweight and easy-to-handle design. The large size covers a wider surface area, reducing cleaning time while offering a comfortable grip for better control. This versatile wash sponge can be used for both wet and dry cleaning, making it suitable for different detailing needs. The long microfiber strands reach into crevices, ensuring that dust and dirt are completely removed. Whether used on vehicles, boats, motorcycles, or even household surfaces, this sponge provides a reliable solution for keeping any surface spotless. Designed for durability, the high-quality microfiber material resists shedding and maintains its softness even after repeated use. The reusable and washable construction ensures long-term performance, making it a valuable addition to any car cleaning kit. The non-scratch design protects paint, glass, and trim while delivering a streak-free shine after every wash. Suitable for a range of cleaning tasks, this microfiber wash mitt is an essential tool for anyone looking to achieve a professional-level clean on their vehicle or home surfaces.